this tutorial, we will see how to use Raster Calculator in ArcGIS Pro. We have a Sentinel-2 satellite image. Using Raster Calculator, we want to calculate the NDVI of this image. To open Raster Calculator, go to Analysis tab and click on Tools. Now here we can search for Raster Calculator. We can see the Raster Calculator. Click on this. We know that to calculate NDVI, we need to subtract red band from near infrared band and divide it by addition of near infrared and red. For Sentinel-2, we have to use band 8 and band 4 because band 8 is near infrared and band 4 is red. Here we can write our expression. For that we need band 8 and band 4, but you can see that in rasters we can only see one image since this is a multi-band raster image. In ArcGIS Pro we cannot see the bands individually from a composite image. To see the band's name here, we need to import individual bands. For that, let's go to Catalog and browse to your image. This is our image. Instead of bringing this image, expand it, then you will see the bands. Now we will import only band 4 and band 8 because to calculate NDVI we need only these bands. Let's bring it to our project. Now you can see that our bands are available here. Let's write the formula. Band 8, double click, minus band 4, close parenthesis, divided by band 8 plus band 4, close parenthesis. Now our formula is ready. Let's name it NDVI and run. Now let's hide these layers. Our NDVI is calculated. You can use any band method in this expression box. Let's change the symbology. Thanks for watching.